so you can make phone calls. Another great thing with this is if you go to your iTunes, you'll see there Mercedes-Benz Bluetooth. If you click on the red triangle with the 3 red circles, iPhone and Mercedes-Benz Bluetooth. So if I go back there, we'll try and find something else. That'll be good. So I'll turn that down, turn this up, go to audio, click audio, and you see there, now then. Can't play too much of it, otherwise I'll get a copyright strike. That's just fair use. But that's how you do. It's a great audio system, sat-nav system, very easy to use. Once you've got used to it, you don't have to do anything. You can just sort it all from here. A lot better than a touchscreen. Keep your eyes forward.